B-Boy, IE, Battle Crew. I just want to say to everybody in the world and in the Philippines, where everyone started B-Boying 2003 and 2004 before Battle Crew. Like the old schooler of the Philippines are from here in Pasay, Tramo. Okay?
Yeah.
This is where it is. Come on, I'll show you where it is here. It's tight. Check this shit. Look, in a basketball court, dude. Everybody started here, in this basketball court. Today is Fiesta. We missed it, but we're still here representing Legacy 6. New image here.
B-Boys in Philippines. We started here in Francis Magalona. Started on a rapping album. It's about the 1990s when we started the Yo album. One of the dancers is studying at the Arellano Tagalog. Sa Arellano Mabini. Kaibigan namin yan. Tawag namin niya si Michael Akitsu. Si Francis na nagsisimula nun. Pero yung mga barkada namin is magagaling na dancer. Hindi namin alam na yung dancer na yun, si Michael Akitsu, dancer pala ni Francis Magalona. Tapos nagsimula yung hip-hop. Sinimula namin dito. Wala pang hip-hop here sa court. Pare ang ano no 1989. Nag 1990 ang uso ng dirty raps. But we started it pare, yung kay Francis Magalona. Yung Yo, yung Gotta Let You Know, and then mga kababayan.
Oh yeah. Cold Summer Nights.
Cold Summer Nights is in the album, but the one who started it is Gotta Let You Know, and then mga kababayan.
Don't Make Me Over.
Don't Make Me Over is in the album. I'm 38.
Oh.
So, you know what I'm saying. Matagal na namin kilala sila Mouse. Nakalaban niya si Hongten, si Daki, durog siya. And then kasama itong dalawa. Ang masabi ko siya pare, ang nagpasimula ng rap sa Pilipinas, si Francis Magalona. Tapos, B-Boy, sagot rin ni Francis yan. Wala na. B-Boy, Francis Magalona, buhay niya. Siya lang nagsimula.